Hey everyone, getting upload errors while using Cloud AI. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Cloud AI upload problems step by step. Yeah, whether your files are not uploading, getting rejected, or stuck during processing, these solutions can help you fix the issue quickly. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt file uploads and cause errors. Try refreshing the page, reconnecting your network, or switching to a stronger connection before uploading again. Next, check the file size and format. Cloud AI may have limits on the types of files you can upload or the maximum file size allowed. Using a supported format and a smaller file can help prevent upload problems. If the upload still fails, try renaming your file. Avoid using special characters or very long file names, as these can sometimes create compatibility issues during uploads. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies. Old browser data may interfere with file uploads, so open your browser settings, remove stored data, and restart the browser. Another solution is to try a different browser or use private or incognito mode. Browser extensions or outdated settings can sometimes block upload features from working correctly. Make sure you're signed into the correct Cloud AI account and that your account has permission to upload files. If you're using a team or shared workspace, check that you have the required access. If the problem continues, wait a few minutes and try again. So temporary server issues can sometimes prevent files from uploading successfully, and that's how you fix Cloud AI upload errors. By checking your connection, files, browser, and account settings, you can solve most common upload problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.